Okay, here's your question of the day. The first part I didn't understand, but here's the second part.
And the threads be used to reduce some scars as a filler instead of doing filler.
Okay, so can PDO threads be used to treat scars instead of filler or as a filler? A couple points to that question. Scars, very tough. Irregular collagen deposition, scars are very different. They might be discoloration, they might be raised and keloid, or they might be an irregular type of scar. And what was the scar caused from? Surgery, from a wound? In general, fillers don't treat scars unless they're depressed and we can elevate them. And then you have to deal with the color change, which could be lasers. You might have to revise the scar or cut it out. But threads don't add a lot of volume. So if you're thinking anything with volume, threads build collagen. There's lifting threads, and there's PDO, PCL, and PLLA threads that are smooth or coiled. And there's some funky patterns too. Some companies make patterns to kind of, I guess, garner attention. But in general, they're going to build collagen around them. They will not help scar tissue. They will not act as a filler. Sure, they could add some volume. It's not the best use of them. They're more for superficial, crepey skin, and the layer that you apply the threads is important. If you go in the fat layer, you're going to get different effects than if you go superficial near the subdermal junction, that junction just below the skin. So I would say not a good use of threads for scar tissue. I think the type that might work is, for instance, lower abdominal area where there's scarring from, say, C-sections or tummy tucks and there's loose skin around that area. They can help tighten the skin. You do have other options like Sculptra, which is PLLA, which is a great skin tightener as well, and they can all be used in combination. But I do not use threads as a filler. Hope that helps. If you like this video, watch my complete playlist on PDO threads, thread lifts, and you can watch the procedures and hear more about them.